Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Tuhinder Chaudhary and I'm an entrepreneur and a master's from France. I hope you are all doing good and I hope you are learning French very well with my channel. So today we are going to talk about an interesting topic, which is how to tell the time in French. Of course, this is very basic topic, guys, and in this chapter we are going to use the numbers from 0 to 60. Of course, if you haven't gone through the numbers yet, you can go through my two videos that I have made, one from 0 to 20 and another one from 21 to 69. So please check it, because in this chapter we are going to use these numbers a lot. Without wasting much time, we can start our today's video. So the first question arrives in our mind, like how to ask the time in French. Like in English, like we say, what time is it? So in French, you have different ways to ask these questions. The most and commonly used way of this phrase is Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure means you can say which hour or which time is it? And mind you guys, l'heure means time or hour, which is feminine, guys. So Quelle heure est-il? That's the first expression, which is most commonly used, and it is used in general anytime, anywhere. One more informal way to ask this, like il est quelle heure? You just reverse the quelle heure est-il one, and you will just end up saying it as il est quelle heure? Or you can also say vous avez l'heure, s'il vous plaît. Vous avez l'heure? Do you have the time? What time is it? So these are some common expressions that we use in order to ask the time in French. Now the question arises, how to answer the time. So again, there are lots of ways to say that, but I'm going to teach you the most easy and the most common way to use the sentence. The first one, like for example, it is 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Just the exact time that I'm going to show you right now. Il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures. So you know how to say 3. It's 3. Il est 3 heures. Il est 4 heures. Il est 9 heures. Il est 10 heures. And now, how to say the difference between AM and PM here. So I would teach you the most easy one to say that, to find out the difference. So guys, I would suggest you to use 24 hours format. I hope you all are comfortable, because in English also we use it like all the 24 hours format. So for example, now it is 4 PM. So how would you say that? Of course, in context you can say il est 4 heures, but just in order to use the proper time format, so you just say il est 16 heures, because we all know 4 PM means 16 hours. So 16 is 16, il est 16 heures. Now let's say if you want to say 8 PM, il est 20 heures. 9 PM, il est 21 heures. Why 1 heure here? Because I already told you, l'heure is feminine. So il est 21 heures. We all know 21 is 21, but because hour is feminine, so we are using il est 21 heures. Similarly, because hour is feminine, so let's say if you want to say I can finish the work in an hour. So je peux finir le travail dans une heure. Dans une heure. I didn't say une heure, I said une heure, because l'heure is feminine. Now comes the question, like how to say the minutes along with the hour. For example, now you want to say it's 3:15 PM. So il est 15 heures. 15. There are two ways. First is the easiest one. Keep the structure as 3 hours 15. Il est 15 heures 15. Or else you can also say it's like 15 to 3, like 15 past 3. 15 heures et quart, like quarter past 3 basically. 11:15 AM. So il est 11 heures et quart. Or you can say il est 11 heures 15. Now comes how to say, like it is 3:30 PM, 2:30, 6:30, 21:30. So you can just similarly say il est, let's say 6:30 PM. So il est 18 heures et demi. This is the most useful expression, guys, because everyone in France just use the expression demi. Demi means half or semi. So it is 6 hours and half. So il est 18 heures et demi. If it is 6:30 AM, then il est 6 heures et demi. you will hear the sound as redomi. Il est 7h30, il est 21h30. And I'm coming back to a point, like I forgot to say how to say it is 12 o'clock. So 12 p.m., 12 noon, and 12 midnight. So you can just say il est midi for 12 noon, and for midnight it is il est minuit. Minuit. Nuit means night, and minuit which means midnight. So now, how would you say it is 12:15 a.m.? So il est minuit et quart, or il est minuit 15. C'est ça? Now, you take about any other minutes. For example, it is 2:10 p.m. Again, I'm just giving the example of 2:10 p.m. So 14:10. So il est 14h10. Il est 9h07. Il est 5h55. 10:36 p.m. So il est 22h36. So just say the hours and then keep the minute as in the numbers we have done. And now one more example. Let's say 8:45 p.m. So il est 20h45. So this is how you can do lots of examples. Okay, let's take two more. Let's say it is 12:35 p.m. So il est midi 35. 10:27. So il est 10h27. So I think that's pretty much of it about timings. One most important preposition that I would like to teach you, which can be used for time. So you always use a over this accent. So you just use a. Like for example, if you want to say a sentence like I have my train at 5 o'clock morning. So you can just say j'ai le train à 5 heures. That's it. Or you can say at 11 o'clock I will finish the work. So à 11 heures je vais finir le travail. À 16h30 je rentre chez moi. I go back to my place. I think these are very simple examples that you can use in your daily life. So basically, let's review the session that what we have learned today. So first is how to ask the time. Quelle heure est-il? You can also say il est quelle heure or vous avez l'heure. So these are informal, but quelle heure est-il, which is most common way to ask the time. Now to answer that, you always use il est. It is il est 15 heures, 6 heures, 17 heures, il est 19 heures, il est 20 heures. For the exact timing. One more thing, I can use it like it's at 5 o'clock sharp. So il est 5 heures pile sharp. And now in order to say the quarter or half, like 3:30, 4:30 or 5:15, 6:15, so you can just say il est 3h30, il est 16h30, like 7:15, so it's il est 7h15, or you can say il est 7h15. Of course, for minutes, you just say the structure as it is something hours, something minute. 9:39, so you can just say il est 9h39. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this class. And I hope you learned about the timings and how to say the time and how to ask the time in French. Please go through this session again and again in order to memorize everything and in order to get better in this. So this is very important chapter, guys, and you can use it in your daily life expression or in your daily life conversation. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any doubt, you can just comment down the section below. And I would give you a homework as like whenever you watch this video, just try to write down the timing in French in the comment box. So please subscribe to my channel and wait for our next video. Till then, see you soon. À bientôt. Au revoir.